Hey everybody, welcome to today's YouTube video. In today's video, we're gonna do a Halloween set. I chose two colors in the beginning, the purple and the brown, the dark brown. And I just let my creativity run. So this was actually a mystery set or a surprise set is what I have them listed under on my website. You can choose any price and I just surprise you with the design. So I started out with two coats of Cloud Castle by D&D on the thumb and the middle finger. Now here I went in with a base gel from Born Pretty. I believe the shade is JR04. It comes in a pack of different polishes. I'm not sure if you can buy them individually, but I'll have it linked from Amazon. I put that on the pinky and the ring finger. So I found a picture on Pinterest of this cute little like hanging moon and star thing, and I thought it would be cute for Halloween. I had no idea what design I was going to do on each nail. I was just winging it. I also forgot to mention the brown that I use on the index is Walnut Brown by D&D, and it is one of my favorite gels that I bought for the fall. It is so pretty. By this time, I went ahead and put on a top coat on top of all of the nails so that I could do my nail art. If you're just starting out and you ever try to do nail art on top of something that doesn't have a top coat on top and your art is smearing or bleeding, it's probably because the gel that you use on the bottom is sticky, and you either need to just remove the sticky layer or put a top coat on top of it. I don't know, that may be common knowledge, but I just thought I would share that. Now, these lines took me a while. I don't know why. It wasn't even so much about getting them straight. That was an issue too, but I really wanted them to be really thin. Anytime I do nail art, I tend to make the lines way thicker than they need to be, and then I don't realize until like I'm finished. So I just kept wiping them off and restarting, but I got them in the end, obviously. I also wanted to share that my brushes, I always get my brushes from Amazon, and I think that they'll be thin enough for the nail art that I want to do, and they never are. So I always just clip the bristles with a fingernail clipper. I just go in from the side and cut them off. Obviously you need to do it carefully because you can easily cut off all of the bristles, but it works for me. Next, I went in with my dotting tool and I just put little circles or brown dots on the lines. No order, I just kind of put them wherever I felt like they should go. Now here I decided to put stars at the bottom of the little strings that I drew, and I wish I could explain how I draw my stars, but I can't. Hopefully you can see it in this video. Basically, the best I can explain it is a triangle with no line at the bottom, and then on the opposite side do another triangle with nothing at the bottom and connected. I don't know, that's as good as I can explain it. Hopefully you can see it in the video. But then on the other nail, I was gonna do another star, but honestly I didn't feel like it. The stars I like drawing stars on nails, but the smaller the star, the trickier it is to fill it in and keep the edges sharp. So I just did one of these, I don't even know what you call them, but they're really easy to do, so I like doing those. Now the moon, I only showed me doing it one time, but I think I had to redo the moon 4 times because for some reason I cannot paint moons. This is the best moon I've ever painted. I don't know how I did it, but I did. I think, oh, I did draw another star. I did another star on the pinky on the other hand, and this one. I actually do think I got this one in one go. Now this nail was actually the base for this entire set. I'm not sure why I didn't draw the mummy first, but this was my first idea that came into my mind because I've seen everybody do the cute mummy nails this Halloween and I haven't done them yet, so I wanted to try the mummy, and so I did that on both hands in brown and white. I haven't seen anybody do it in color, so I thought I would do that. And then I actually cut it out, but I ended up drawing some eyes on the mummy nails. I was trying to do my own thing and make some cute little eyes with eyelashes, and I didn't like it, so I erased it. So you may see an eye at some point in the video, and then it'll get covered up because I changed it. I didn't like it. It looked dumb. Ignore it. Okay, swirl nails. For me, swirl nails have always been kind of easy in theory, and then I start doing it and I'm like, oh, I'm doing it wrong, and it never looks good, and I always have to spend extra time on it. I can always get them right, but they never look like the swirls I see on Instagram. I feel like I'm doing them in the wrong direction. I don't know, but these came out cute. I used the walnut brown again from D&D, and then I ended up adding a green because I needed another color. So this is D&D Vintage is the name of it, I think. I also went over the swirls with a disco gel from Ice Gel. I'll put the number on the screen because I'm not with my polishes right now and I don't remember the shade number, but you see how this swirl starts off stiff? That's how all of my swirls start. I don't know, I can never do the one swoop that you see on Hey Great Nails on Instagram. Like, I could never be her. I can't do the one swoop swirl, girl. It always takes me a while, but I get it eventually. This design, I was on Instagram when I was taking a break from doing these, and I saw Pressed by Elsie do a Halloween set that was so cute. And she had these pumpkin or these little heart jack-o'-lantern type of things, so I stole that real quick and I put it on the thumb. I used the same vintage green. The green came out of nowhere. That was not in my plan. It was just that I realized I only chose 2 colors, and I was like, I can't do brown again on the purple thumb. So I went with the green and it came out cute. Now these drips are so fun. I love doing drip nails, and it's crazy because when I first started out I could not do dripping nails. I could not do it. I'm actually going to insert a picture. This was in like 2019 when I very first started selling press-ons. Now I think I sold these for like $25 or like $15 or something like that, and I still feel bad because actually they came out cute. It's just the process was so bad. Like I could not get these drips. She ordered a custom set. I was like, and mind you, I was doing these with regular nail polish, so I'm over here trying to blend and do ombre with this polish that's like drying while I'm doing it. No good brushes, literally using like a regular nail polish brush that I clipped up. They came out cute, but it was a struggle. Now we're all finished with this design, and I top coated it. This is a Beatles bottle, but I'm actually using the Koopa top coat right now. That's what I'm using to hold my Koopa polish. Alright, we have reached the end of this video. This set took me about 2 hours, and I really love how they came out. And I hope maybe you can take some inspo from it and recreate it. And if you do, please tag me. Thank you for watching. Bye.